Hello everybody, my name is Jackie Capps and welcome to my Genius Hour research presentation. The question that kicked off my Genius Hour investigations was how can I use Google Slides for curriculum instruction and assessment, and how can students use Google Slides to create comprehension projects collaboratively? Why Google? The answer is simple and one word: longevity. I believe Google will stand the test of time. I learned to use the search engine Google as a high school student, and the California-based company has only shown exponential growth in the following years. The most valuable skill I learned during my investigations is how to format a slides presentation into an interactive map. The first slide has buttons linked to other slides in the presentation. The value of this format is in its versatility. I can use this presentation to teach from a smartboard, or a student can work through the presentation independently at their own pace. I also learned how to attach an assessment to the presentation. The assessment button is a link to a Google form with questions about content provided in the informational slides. I learned how to optimize the Google form assessments by embedding fun, informational videos into the instantaneous feedback for students, and by building a Google Sheet that organizes and color codes the assessment data as students submit the form. You can input feedback and build a data sheet in just a few clicks. I also learned how to optimize Google Slides by embedding audio, and video clips, activating captions, and cropping photos to any shape. I learned quickly in my investigations that the best way I could optimize Google Slides was to let my presentations communicate with the other Google apps I've been using. By embedding links to docs, forms, and sheets, students can collaborate and I can organize my lessons and resources in one convenient place. During my investigations, I discovered Pecha Kucha. This Japanese presentation style is designed to keep the pace. I have modified the traditional format as a demonstration for this presentation. A traditional style Pecha Kucha is 20 slides for 20 seconds each. Throughout my investigations, I learned I can use Google to organize my curriculum, assessments, and data. I can use an interactive presentation for whole group, individual, and remote instruction. I can implement Pecha Kucha for instruction and assessment. And with the Google platform, students can work collaboratively or independently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my Genius Hour Pecha Kucha. If you are interested in designing your own interactive Google Slides or Pecha Kucha presentations, please see the link in the description to some resources I found and developed throughout my investigations.